Welcome back, YouTube fam. And today we're talking about the CT2 micro reflex red dot from Cyelee Optics. It's the box that it comes in. Let's move that out the way. And here it is, guys. CT2 Cyelee Optic. See if I get that right in there. Has a nice 3 MOA reticle. Clear glass. Nice big window. Can't complain. You can find these for about between $120 and $130 on Amazon. Pretty decent optic, you know, nice budget optic. There we go. Has 10 brightness settings. 8 for daytime, 2 for night vision. Also has a top loading battery, which is a big plus for me. I don't have to take the optic off to change the battery. You don't lose your zero once it's zeroed in. It takes a CR1632 battery that will last up to 5,000 hours. So it'll probably run you about maybe 8 months to a year, and then you have to change the battery, which you should be changing the battery maybe like once a year, maybe every 6 months. So that shouldn't be an issue. Overall, a decent optic. I put about like 500 rounds through it at the range. Didn't lose zero, didn't shift, didn't fail. Glass is still on there. Nice optic. Like I said, clear glass, crisp red dot, 3 MOA. For $120, $130, I think that's a win. Especially if, you know, for new gun owners, you just bought your first Glock, $600, you don't want to spend an expensive optic. Go check these guys out. Cyelee Optics CT2. It also has a shake away system as well. So you put this gun down for a while. I believe the dot shuts off after 4 hours. So after 4 hours, dot disappears. As soon as you pick it up, dot's back on. So that's a great plus for a red dot at this price. Check them out, guys. Stay tuned to the next video.